guys, this is Jaime. Jaime is a second-year student of the biomedicine degree. His professor of human genetics has told him to do an exposition about albinism. However, Jaime doesn't know what to talk about. For this, he resorts to one of the most used social networks of his generation, Twitter. Well said, Stella. Specifically, albinism is an heterogeneous genetic disorder caused by mutation in different genes, which produce a reduction or total absence of melanic pigment in eyes, skin, and hair. It also occurs in human and other animals. It's important to highlight that melanin begins its synthesis during the embryonic period, when melanoblasts transform into melanocytes in the epidermis. This pigment is formed from L-tyrosine through enzymatic reaction regulated by factors such as MC1R and hormone alpha-MSH. It should be noted that there exist 8 different types of oculocutaneous albinism, as well as an ocular albinism and syndromic disease like Wonderbach or Celiac-Higashi syndromes, classified based on what is the mutated gene. That's a good point. Jaime will have to explain to the class that albinism is characterized by people with hypopigmentation in eyes, skin, and hair. Besides, these individuals also tend to have vision problems. This illness can be diagnosed based on clinical observations like pigmentation of the skin, hair, and eyes, and ocular exam, but also it can be complemented with molecular genetic diagnosis like DNA sequencing or PCR. To suffer from this disease, an individual generally needs both of the alleles to be altered. Even so, it is highly frequent for mutation on its allele to be different, a condition known as compound heterozygote. For instance, one of the exceptions aside from OA are many subtypes of Wonderbach syndrome. Regarding albinism, there is a lack of education among the different populations, but also inside the albino community. This results in social discrimination and psychological distress, which cause more harm than the condition itself. Okay, Jaime, everything clear? You should also point out that although there is currently no approved treatment for albinism, in the future we will be able to use nitisinone or adeno-associated virus that are now only for transgenic animals in humans.